Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 22 of upskilling myself, and today I solved three DSA problems. So the first problem was number of matching subsequences. So we have been given a string and the words, right? So we have to find the number of words which are a matching of this subsequence of strings. Okay, so how to solve it? So first of all, we create a bucket array which stores the list of pairs which contains the starting and end of the word. Okay, then we add all the words into the respective buckets. Then we traverse the string, and then we traverse every single word in these words and increment the begin. So like if the word is A, C, E, if the begin is over here and end is over here, so first of all we'll see that if A lies over here on the iteration, if it lies, then we'll shift B to here, and now it's C. So at the next iteration, when the pointer on S comes to C, the first element will be C, and then these both will be compared, and then when begin is equals to end, we add 1 in the count, right? Then if begin is equals to end, then we increment the count, and else we emplace back the current word. That is, if suppose C and E, and if C and E are not complete, then we move C and E to the respective words in the bucket. The second problem was number of good ways to split a string. So it was an easy little problem. Like it was medium, but it was pretty easy. So this is a string. Let's say the string is A, C, A, B, and A. So we have to check every occurrence. Like suppose the first string contains this, and the second is this, and then we have to find the number of ways to split the string. Here is only one distinct letter, which is A, and here are 1, 2, and 3 distinct letters. So 1 is not equals to 3. So it is not a good split, right? Then if you see this example, AAC and then ABA, if we split over here, then it has two distinct letters, and this has also two distinct letters. So 2 is equals to 2, and we increment count. So to solve it, we have to create two hash maps, one being full at the start and one being empty. So if the letter is like A, B, C, A, this whole will be added in the second hash map, and the first hash map will be empty. And then after every, like sliding window, right? So after every iteration, we will add the element in the first hash map and remove from the second, and then we compare the distant letters, right? So this is the code. It's pretty easy. Then the third problem was easy. It was a valid parenthesis. So we solved it using stacks. So what we do is we initialize a stack. We push the first character into the stack. So suppose the first character is this, then we push into the stack, and we check if stack is empty, then we return false. Now the second character which you got, if it's the closing bracket, then we search the opening bracket into the stack. If it's the opening bracket of the closing bracket, then we pop the top of the stack, and then we do the same. And yeah, if the stack is then empty, then we return true. If it's not empty, then we return false. Then for the development part, I did some internship work, and I revised all the DSA problems that I solved till now. For the internship part, I had to migrate the complete front end. So yeah, it took me around 2 to 3 days to do the task. And thank you guys for watching, and see you on day 23.